Good morning, everyone. Oh my gosh, my hair is a mess. So I did some skincare this morning before I woke up George, and now I'm just kind of prepping the face a little bit. I hope everyone is having a good Tuesday morning so far. Today I'm actually running a little late, so it's going to be a very quick and easy live, I think. I hope, if you do not mind, please like, comment, and share my video. I would greatly appreciate it. I'm just, like I said, I'm going to do some quick makeup. Nothing too crazy. Like, I am so pumped to get my kit. Like, seriously, I cannot wait. Cannot freaking wait, man. Alright, so, I put on the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Drops, so my face is going to be nice and glowy throughout the day, hopefully. If not glowy within, it's going to be glowy because, like, my sweat. But, yes, anyway. Not much really going on. The end of the month, they do have some really good deals right now. They have their monthly August special, which is a mascara, a liquid shadow, and a lippie, which is like a lipstick, or the lip plumper, which is also really good as well. So if anyone is interested in checking that out, my link will be available after I get done with this live. Let's see here. Okay, so like I said, I'm just gonna do something like so quick. I'm gonna apply a lot of my foundation on my face like this. Now you guys can apply any way that you want. So you can apply with a beauty blender. I might have applied a little too much, but it's okay. Beauty blender, a hair. You can apply with, like, pretty much anything. A brush, like a kabuki brush. Let's see what else. Your hands. Some people don't like that, and that's okay. That's understandable. Most people do not. I use the BB Flawless, which is just a very like medium coverage. I say light to medium in my opinion, but it just all depends on people's preferences. Now, if you are full coverage and you do not want glow, this is something that you do not want. But this, it helps a lot. A lot. So I literally just applied with my hands, and I am pressing it in with a beauty blender, which is also really good too. So you can make your makeup stay in, and it's super easy too. I really like it. Good morning, good morning. I'm not gonna do any eyeshadow today, which is totally okay. This is like a very simple look that you guys can do, that can be like every day. It's nothing too crazy. This is usually whenever I do not have like a lot of time to apply a lot of makeup, so I just tend to do it this way sometimes. So yeah, that's technically all. Like, I do some pressed powder to take away the shine and keep my makeup in place throughout the day. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Nothing like really too crazy. I can seriously not wait for my kit to come. And then if anyone wants to know, like, do you guys want do you want an unboxing of the kit, like whenever I get it, like go live on my page and you guys can see what I got? And then if you guys are interested in signing up, you guys will like kind of know like, hey, this is what I'll get in my kit. I'm interested, stuff like that. Totally up to you all. Now you guys can sign up for $99 and then you guys can start earning. This is a Physician Formula palette. If anyone is interested, you guys can get it on their website or go on Ulta and get it. I don't work for Ulta. I wish. Alright. Very cool. Very nice. Alright, actually I am going to do something very simple. I'm going to go in with that bronzer real quick and use a Lunar Beauty brush here and just go in at the crease. Very simple, very everyday kind of thing. Literally, it's nothing to this this look at all. Like, you can do whatever you want to do with it. I literally I don't have a lot of time, so that's why I'm just haphazardly. And then I'm just going to go in with some of the highlight here and very, very simple. Literally, there's nothing to it. Like, if anyone is interested, that's all you do. Just put a little bronzer, put some little shiny on your eye, and you're good. You're good to go. Alright, so this is the Benefit Cosmetics Roller Lash Mascara. This is actually a really nice mascara. If you guys want to get a really nice one, I would totally recommend getting this. But yeah, it's super nice. And since Younique is a very simple company, if you guys are interested in getting simple, I would totally recommend it. Literally, that's all that's to. This is literally super nice stuff. Yeah. And this is, if I'm not going live, this literally will take maybe less than 5 minutes because I am getting everything out of this palette here. This is the Physician's Formula palette. It's actually a really nice one. I haven't used it in a while, but it does have a perfumey smell. So if you guys do not like that, I would not recommend getting it. I totally left the Younique eyeshadows in my car by accident, and I'm like, ugh. Alright, lips. This is the Liquid Splash lipstick in the shade Subtle. Super, very nude lip. I cannot wait to try their Splash Liquid lipsticks in the matte format. Oh my gosh, that's gonna be so cool. Cannot wait. Alright, that is literally it to the what is it called? To my makeup. Really good fan. Yeah. If anyone is interested in wanting to sign up, you guys can start at $35. Get the kit with the 4D mascara and then the tools, and then of course we can get you set up on our team pages. It's a fun group of girls that we're in, so if anyone at all is interested in signing up, I really appreciate it. And then you can also get the 99, which you'll get the 4D mascara, and then the choices of mascara, and then like a fun or some other stuff as well. I'm sorry, I cannot think. So if anyone is interested in trying or checking it out, I will give you guys the details of what's going to be in that kit. But yeah, so you guys will have like some sort of idea. You'll get a face mask as well, eyeliner or the dip draw liner or eyebrow. You get either the twisted mascara or the regular epic mascara. It's just a lot of awesome stuff. I'm so excited to get it. I think it's going to be coming in this week, so I will go live for that whenever I get it. And I will see y'all soon. Bye guys.